More than just weight loss. Introducing ADF Alternate Day. Fasting, or ADF, is not just about shedding kilograms. It's a unique eating pattern gaining attention for its potential to enhance longevity and vitality. On one day you eat normally, the next you consume very little. This cycle repeats, offering more than just weight management. Scientists are exploring how ADF can boost overall health and resilience. It's about adding healthy years to our lives, not just reducing numbers on a scale. This script will delve into the science behind ADF. We'll explore how it might unlock longevity and enhance our health. The focus is on understanding the mechanisms ADF triggers. These could be the key to a longer, more vibrant life. ADF might be a path to better health for many. Let's discover what ADF truly offers beyond weight loss. The body's renewal code, MPK, mTOR, and autophagy. ADF activates crucial cellular processes that impact longevity. AMPK, a master energy controller, is activated during fasting. It encourages cells to conserve energy and repair themselves. This repair process combats damage that accumulates with age. Meanwhile, mTOR, a growth pathway, is suppressed. Constant mTOR activity can accelerate aging. ADF provides a needed break. This allows autophagy, the body's cleanup process, to thrive. Autophagy removes damaged cell parts, recycling them into useful components. This cellular housekeeping is vital for maintaining youthful cells. Increased autophagy is linked to longer life and rejuvenated tissues. ADF triggers these processes, promoting cellular health. By balancing AMPK and mTOR, ADF supports longevity. It's a natural way to enhance our body's resilience. ADF is more than a diet, it's a cellular renewal strategy. Lessons from the lab animal studies on ADF. Animal studies reveal fascinating insights into ADF's benefits. Mice and rats on ADF often live longer than those on regular diets. Fasting periods seem to trigger protective mechanisms against aging. Beyond longevity, animals on ADF appear healthier. They show lower rates of age-related diseases like cancer and kidney issues. Their bodies are more resilient with less inflammation. ADF maintains a youthful physiology in animals. Physical capabilities improve with better endurance and strength. ADF extends life and enhances its quality. It supports physical function and vitality into older age. These findings suggest ADF's potential for human health. ADF could be a key to healthier, longer lives. It's not just about living longer, but living better. ADF offers a promising path for health and longevity. Section 4, ADF in action, human health benefits. Human studies on ADF show promising health improvements. Participants see reduced inflammation linked to age-related diseases. ADF improves blood lipid profiles, lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Cardiovascular health benefits with better blood pressure levels. ADF enhances insulin sensitivity, aiding blood sugar management. Fasting periods introduce mild stress, strengthening cells. This stress, like exercise, builds cellular resilience. Cells become better at handling damaging stresses. ADF promotes health and longevity through increased stress resistance. It's a lifestyle intervention with deep biological roots. ADF taps into ancient pathways for repair and regeneration. It offers more than weight loss. It's a health enhancer. ADF is a powerful tool for better health and longer life. Let's explore how ADF can transform our well-being. Section 5, a clearer mind, ADF, brain health, and a brighter future. ADF benefits extend to brain health, not just the body. It boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, supporting neurons. BDNF acts like fertilizer for brain cells, enhancing growth and connections. Fasting increases BDNF, potentially delaying neurodegenerative diseases. ADF might slow Alzheimer's and Parkinson's progression. More human research is needed, but signs are hopeful. ADF is more than a diet, it's a lifestyle intervention. It activates pathways for repair and regeneration. ADF protects cells from damage, promoting longevity. By balancing AMPK, mTOR, and autophagy, ADF supports health. It's a path to a longer, healthier life. ADF offers a brighter future for brain and body. Let's embrace ADF for a clearer mind and better health. Discover the transformative power of ADF today.